Welcome back. Let's now take a look at the latest in the world of business. My name is Carol Jenga. Now, Kenya Power says electricity supply has been restored in most parts of the country following a mid-morning outage after collapse of high voltage power. That is in an update. Kenya Power said it had restored electricity in parts of Nairobi, Western Kenya, Mount Kenya region, North Rift, South Nyanza and Central Rift, and was working to restore power in the remaining affected areas. Mid-morning, Kenya was plunged into darkness due to collapsed towers on Kimambere and Bakasi high voltage transmission power line. In a statement, Kenya Power confirmed the nationwide power outage, saying engineers were on the ground conducting repairs in a bid to restore electricity supply. Kenyans took to social media platforms to express their disappointment, with most saying businesses were incurring losses due to the power outage that occurred less than 15 hours after another one was reported on Monday evening. There had been parts of the country that were still in darkness after the electricity outage that occurred on Monday evening. Although Kenya Power says electricity supply had been restored in most parts of Nairobi, Western Kenya, Mount Kenya region, North Rift, South Nyanza and Central Rift, the utility firm in an update said its engineers were still working to restore power in the remaining affected areas. This comes just weeks after Kenya Power was forced to ration power following the collapse of towers at Suswa, supporting transmission of high voltage power from the Turkana wind power project in Loyangalani to the Suswa substation. In May 2020, Kenya experienced a similar outage after an issue on the high voltage power line that evacuates electricity from Olkaria geothermal power plants.